30 candidates successfully completed the training in rural masonry for the construction of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana houses under the supervision of the District Skills Committee in West Jaintia Hills District. Chairman of the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority honoured the candidates and also launched the Business Startup 2.0 application form. The Jaintia Institute of Technology had conducted a 3-month training program under Skill Meghalaya funded by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, Shillong. These candidates were presented with startup tools and certificates by the chief guest.
District, what yet the need a so hajar open the yam. More indeed, Knam, what you can rope your yogi to me. Nevasia him to still hajar back a training. Henry run cut his startup tools and idea to ye to stand, ye calm the yogi.